Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about that what things made me to learn the English language, because when you learn English language there are some goals in front of you that you are willing to achieve those goals, and for achieving those goals you are learning the English language, because you know your national language. Beside national language, international language is also necessary. English is the international language, and you can listen news or videos, you can watch each and everything, you can read a lot of stuff in English language, so you are willing to learn this language. In the beginning I was interested to work in art and culture as an artist. So when I used to watch the interviews of different kind of celebrities speaking in English language, and I was thinking that I'm not able to speak English language. If I get the popularity, then how I will speak English language? So this inspired me to learn English language. Then I started learning English language. I was also doing my struggle to take part in some teleplays or telefilms. But with this, I was also improving my English language. And because I was living in a backward area where there is no facility of telephone at that time, so I used to write letters to different people within the country and on also international level. And when I used to write letter on international level, I was writing letters in very simple English, simple sentences, crammed sentences you can say. And when in response I used to get the replies were in detail and very difficult English. At that time I was feeling that English was very difficult. So I was thinking that my English is very simple and I should improve myself on advanced level. Then I started learning the English language on advanced level. When it comes to write the sentences or write a letter to someone in English language, I can write very good English. But when I speak, then I think that I can't speak very good English language. The reason is lack of practice. I was just writing the letters, I was just reading the books, but I was not doing the practice of speaking, because no person was available at that time with whom I could make the practice of speaking English language. So I was just reading or writing. And I used to write letters on international level in different countries. And in response, I got a lot of replies. I have made the reviews of those letters on this channel. You can search my playlist and you can watch those reviews. More than 80 videos are uploaded about those letters, because at that time this was my hobby and I used to write letters in English language to my pen pals, and I was getting the replies, and that was my hobby. And when I used to write letter, and it takes months a letter to reach there or to come to me. So that period was very beautiful. Right now the world has progressed. Social media has changed the world. With one click you can send your lot of messages to others. No one is giving you reply, but at that time people were giving replies. When you write letter, the people were giving reply. Right now you are sending so many letters on WhatsApp, on Instagram, on YouTube, other, but no one is replying you. The problem is it has started rain, a little rain. I will have to close this video because I'm in open air, and the chances of rain drops, because you know the camera is in open air. Why it is little, perhaps it may stop. So when you don't do the practice, I think that it is the problem for you. For speaking English language, I think that practice is very necessary. And right now when the social media came, I started listening the videos of English language speakers, native and non-natives, both. In this way, I am able to speak in front of you, and whatever I am speaking, I am hopeful that you are understanding. Main motive is that whatever you speak, others are able to understand your speech or your dialogues. If others are facing problems while understanding, because accent may be different. The problem of accent, some people understand other accents very difficultly. They are feeling difficulty in understanding the accent. But some people are eligible, those can understand all accents. Those are the advanced level of English speakers or listener. And if you want to improve yourself on advanced level, you can understand the accent of each and all nationalities, native and non-native, both accents. You will be able to understand. But if you are beginner, then start from your native accent. Talk with your native English language speakers. Then try to make friends on international level where the English is first language. In this way, one day I think that you will speak very good English language. Hope you find this video useful. In next video, I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, before leaving, please subscribe to this channel so that you never miss our other videos. Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.